There we go. This is our BS32. This is the bar feeder, the LNS system. I'm going to go ahead and load a bar. It's a fully automated system. Get into the machine. Go ahead and run all the spindles. Here we go. Our main axis is running. We'll travel up and down. Spindle, full RPM forward, full RPM reverse. Go ahead and run the sub-assembly. Full RPM forward, full RPM reverse. Positioning in front of all 5 back working stations. Full RPM on the back working tool, forward and reverse. And we're done. That's our BS32 parts catcher system. Here's the machine information. This machine was purchased in the early 2000s and has been in service for the last few years. We run it just about every day. A lot of our larger size Swiss jobs. It's an excellent machine and it's in good condition. Take care.